Ever wondered where to start your Linux journey or which distro is right for you? There's one website that's been helping users decide for over 2 decades, DistroWatch. In this video, we're diving into the history, purpose, and current state of DistroWatch, the internet's oldest and most trusted Linux distro directory. In this video, we take you through the complete story of DistroWatch.com, from its humble beginnings in 2001 to its current role as the go-to hub for Linux and BSD enthusiasts. Learn how to use DistroWatch to compare distros, track updates, and discover new operating systems. DistroWatch was launched back in May 2001 by Ladislav Bodnar, a Linux enthusiast who simply wanted to track changes in various Linux distributions. At the time, Linux was growing fast, but there was no central place to compare distros, check release updates, or see what's new. DistroWatch filled that gap. It started as a simple list of distributions with some technical details, like package managers, default desktop environments, and update cycles. Over time, it evolved into a massive database, tracking hundreds of active and discontinued Linux and BSD systems. So, what does DistroWatch actually do? The website tracks distribution releases, features, popularity, and technical specifications. It also provides links to official project pages, download mirrors, package lists, and changelogs. DistroWatch is not just for Linux. It also tracks BSD variants and other open-source operating systems. One of its most popular features is the page hit ranking, a daily tally of how many times each distro's page is visited. While it's not a scientific measurement of user base, it does show community interest and distro trends. Let's take a quick tour of what you can find on the site. News and updates, regular updates on new distro releases and key changes, search filters, find distros by desktop environment, package base, init system, and more. Comparisons, side-by-side technical comparisons of 2 or more distributions. Weekly newsletter, DistroWatch Weekly, a curated post featuring reviews, tips, and updates from the open source world. Distribution pages. Each distro has its own page with release history, screenshots, download links, and user reviews. DistroWatch has become more than just a tracking site. It's a starting point for many Linux users. Whether you're switching from Windows, searching for a lightweight distro, or exploring niche projects like NixOS or Void Linux, DistroWatch has you covered. It also helps lesser-known distros gain visibility. Many developers submit their projects in hopes of getting listed and recognized. Despite its popularity, DistroWatch isn't without its critics. Some argue the page hit ranking can be misleading, as it reflects visits, not actual usage. DistroWatch openly acknowledges this and clearly states that the ranking is just a fun metric, not a definitive popularity chart. Still, it often mirrors real-world interest. When a distro like Ubuntu or Linux Mint releases a new version, you'll usually see a spike in page hits. Today, over 300 distributions are tracked, and many more are archived. Despite the rise of YouTube tutorials and Reddit threads, DistroWatch remains a neutral, reliable, text-based hub for Linux users and distro explorers. And the best part? It's still being maintained by the same founder, Ladislav Bodnar, with support from volunteers and donations from users who value open-source software. So whether you're a Linux veteran or just getting started, DistroWatch.com is still one of the best tools for discovering, comparing, and keeping up with the open source world. Bookmark it, explore it, and maybe even find your next favorite distro there. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow Linux fans. Until next time, happy distro hopping.